Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nelaude, and we are discussing about the circumference, right? So we are understanding this first example. Okay, so I have asked you the question, what is diameter? So let's see what is the definition of diameter. Diameter is a line segment which passes through center and its end points are on the circle. So see here, circumference is equal to, what is the definition of circumference? Circumference is equal to diameter multiplied by 3.14 or 22 upon 7. So 5 multiplied by 3.14 is equal to 15.7 centimeter. Get it? Now next example. The radius of a circle is 6 centimeter. Find the circumference. Now radius is given, just little bit difference is it. What is here? Circumference is equal to d into 3.4. So instead of writing diameter, we have to write 2 multiplied by radius, because radius is given. So radius diameter is always double of radius. That's why we have to write here 2 multiplied by radius multiplied by 3.14. Otherwise you can take here instead of 3.14, 22 upon 7. Get it? So what is the radius given here? 6 centimeter. Okay. So can anyone define me what is radius? Radius is the line segment whose one end point is the center and other end point is any point on circle. Otherwise we can say radius is the line segment, is the distance between center and any point on a circle. Okay. So here it is given 6. So 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3.14, we get 37.68. Okay. Now next, find the diameter and radius of a circle with circumference 6.28. Now diameter is given, circumference is given and we have to find out diameter. So diameter is equal to circumference upon 3.14. Okay, otherwise you can take 22 upon 7. So 6.28 divided by 3.14, we get 2 centimeter, and radius is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by diameter, that is 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2, that is 1. Okay. Now let's start solving exercise 7.7. So let's see in the copy. So first of all you have to write the definition of circumference. Circumference of a circle is equal to perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle is called circumference. In each case, circumference upon diameter is equal to 3.14 or 22 upon 7. Now exercise 7.7. See, find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is, first diameter is given 10. So we have to write first formula. So what is formula? Circumference is equal to diameter multiplied by 3.14. Okay. Now instead of writing this formula, I just write in short form. C is equal to D multiplied by 3.14. So C is equal to 10 multiplied by 3.14. So it is C is equal to 31.4 centimeter. Okay. Now next, 5.5 centimeter. So circumference is equal to D multiplied by 3.14. So it is 5.5 multiplied by 3.14. If we multiply it, we get the answer 17.27. Okay. Roughly you can multiply. Okay. And give the decimal properly. We have learned about the multiplication of decimal, right now? Now third example, 7 upon 22 centimeters. Now it is in fraction, so you can take 22 upon 7. So C is equal to D multiplied by 22 upon 7. So C is equal to 7 upon 22 multiplied by 22 upon 7. It is equal to 1 centimeter. Get it? Now fourth, 35. Okay, so it's 3.5, not 35. 3.5 centimeters. So C is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 3.5. We get 10.99 centimeters. Okay, get it? So fifth example you have to take as a homework. Find the circumference of a circle whose radius is. Now we have to take formula according to radius. So what is the formula in according to radius? C is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7, otherwise you can take 3.14 multiplied by radius for r. Okay. So C is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. So C is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 2.1. Okay. So 22 2 is 44 and 7 1 the 7, 7 3 is 21 and this decimal is given. So 44 multiplied by 0.3 we get 13.2 centimeter. Get it? Now next. 20 centimeters. So here radius is given 20 centimeters. C is equal to 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 20. So 20 into 2 we get 40. 40 multiplied by 3.14 we get 125.60. Get it? Now next example is 5 meter. So C is equal to 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 5. 5 2 is 10. Multiplied by 3.14, so it is equal to 31.4 meter. Okay. Now next, 7.7 centimeter. So C is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7.7. So 7 1 the 7, 7 1 the 7, decimal 7. So 22 into 2, 44 and 1.1, that is 48.4 centimeter. Get it? Fifth example is homework. Okay. So let's see the C question. Find the radius of a circle whose circumference is. Now little bit difference is in this example. Here circumference is given and you have to calculate the radius. Okay. So same formula we will take, but let's see what is the change. We have to take same formula. C is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 or 3.14 multiplied by r. So what is this circumference? That means 15.4 is equal to 22 into 2, we get 44 upon 7 multiplied by radius. So what I do here, I have to find out radius. So this 44 go on the opposite side. So it is multiplied, we have to divide it. Okay. So 15.4 divided by 14.7. Division means opposite of the multiplication by reciprocal. So 15.4 multiplied by 7 upon 44. So 11 for the 44, 11 1 the 11, 11 for the 44. Okay. So 1.4 multiplied by 7 we get 9.8. Okay. And this 4 is here. So 9.8 should be divisible by 4. So 4 2s are 8 decimal and for okay, I have made here mistake. You have to write here 4 2s are 8. No. 4 2s are 8 decimal 1 remains. Okay, it was not mistake. It is absolutely right. See here 4 2s are 8. Give decimal 1 remains. It becomes 18. So 4 4s are 16. 2 remains. That is 4 5s are 20. So what will the answer? 2.45. This is absolutely correct answer. Okay. If you want, you can divide in the rough. Fine. So let's see the second example. 3.14 centimeter. So see here C is equal to 3.14